I had a lady buy 4 items from us. That is so unusual.
So you're in a hurry, well you better calm down. We're all friends around you, just join the fun. 'Cause if you're in a hurry, you're missing the point. Should enjoy the fruits of life instead of...
I had a lady buy 4 items from us. That is so unusual for anyone to come to our store and buy 4 items. Now these 3 are going ground advantage. This one is supposed to go priority, and I think that's because I never updated it to allow for it to go ground advantage. And I'm not sure if I'm going to ship them separately or together and just refund something. I'm not sure about that. These 3 items came to $58.86 plus shipping. The terrier was $19.95, the yarn ball was $24.95, and the Hallmark keepsake ornament was $13.96, so $58.86 plus shipping. And the snowman dish, it's a Hallmark snowman dish, sold for $20.97 plus ship. This is the one going priority. Let's focus on the smallest item first, the little puppy dog. The Fox Terrier figurine. I'm going to cut this tissue paper in half. Take my hand to one corner, run my hand through it. We're going to start wrapping this. Putting some between the legs and then wrapping it around. And I only use regular tape, plain simple tape, so that it's easy to remove. Because some people just start tearing in on these things. We've got his tail that's pretty fragile. Going to wrap this around, again, some tape, and one more sheet that I'll wrap the whole thing in. Now, bubble wrap. I'm going to start with small because it conforms better than the large, so start with some small. I will switch to my packing tape. Let's try a half sheet of large. See if it will make it. Yeah, it will. If you like this video, give it a like, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe. Little Fox Terrier is done. This is the Mark Newman Hallmark Christmas ornament, the wolf. I'll insert the photo again if you didn't catch that. I think I'll just wrap this in large 1/2 inch. Two bundles down. Now the brass kitten, it's hollow. I'm going to wrap it in packing paper. And some large 1/2 inch bubble. The cat's done, the brass cat. So now we have 3. These 3 are supposed to ship together. Maybe I should get thank you labels. Maybe I should put a thank you label on everything. Let's do a test fit before I get too excited, too carried away. Yeah, that's going to work fine. I just need more packing material. So let's try 3 sheets of bubble this direction, 2 sheets of large 1/2 inch that direction. Here's the kitty cat, the brass. Gotta make sure I don't get too high. Now that is getting a little bit high, so I'm going to take this one out. I could use a little more for these 2, a little more protection. This is the dog. Stand it up, just choose a side and stand it up. Check that height again. That's going to be okay. 3 air pillows, 3 on the end, 3 on this end. Pulling this in, see what I can fit on the corners. I'm going to put 2, putting 1 in each corner. I still have room here, and I don't know if I can fit in the air pillows or not. I'm finishing up a roll of bubble wrap. It's the end of the roll. You know how it gets sometimes at the end of the roll? It gets a little crazy. I'm just going to fill in here with bubble. Might be getting it too high now. Just too much over here. I'm going to cut part of it off. But I think I've got it. You know, these boxes are never perfect. This one's crinkled. It happens. Doesn't matter where you order them from, how much you pay for them. They're not perfect. Below the description in this video, you'll find links for my tape dispensers and a whole bunch of other things. This package from my repeat buyers is good to go. And then this guy. Thanks for watching. I'm Vicki with Avante Avenue, and Mark and I will see you soon. By the way, we got snow here in Northeast Tennessee.